First thing, I am the best. Have you ever had the courage to tell these words to yourself? Some of us always wanted to be like someone else because they are not satisfied with what they are right now. But we all are unique. We all have different qualities. We just need to find those. Stop comparing yourself with others because you are the best in your own way. Start saying, I am the best every morning and see the change. The second thing you have to remind yourself every morning is, I can do it. If you have a dream of becoming a millionaire in next 5 years, you are going to have two inner voices in your head. The first voice will try to convey that you cannot do it. You are not that qualified. You don't have the investment, or you don't look good enough. However, the other voice which says that you have what it takes to be a millionaire is the one you should listen to. The latter one might be small, but you need to grab that voice. Just remember that you can do anything you set your mind to, but it takes action. Third and the most important thing that you have to remind yourself every morning is, Allah is always with me. Your friends laugh at your dreams, your parents doesn't believe in your dreams, but I have a good news. There is one person in the world who doesn't laugh at your dreams and does always believe in your dreams. Guess the person? Well, that is Allah. Allah is always there to hold us. All we need to do is to reach out our hands. Allah can do anything. You do what you can. Allah will do what you cannot. I am not alone. Allah is always with me. Fourth thing you have to remember is, I am a winner. Have an attitude like this. Wherever I will go, I will be a winner. Winning is in my blood. I was born to be a winner and die as a champion. Losing is not an option in my life. Daily remind yourself in the morning who you are and what you want to be in the future. I know what I have to do and I am going to do whatever it takes. If I do it, I'll come out as a winner. And it doesn't matter what anyone else does. I am a winner. I play to win. I want to make good things go on around me. No matter what may have happened yesterday, a new day of fresh possibility have dawned. You are not the same person today as you were yesterday. Stop dwelling on the past and concentrate on your future, because your future is going to be beautiful. You haven't seen the best days of your life yet. Wake up, smile, and tell yourself, today is my day.